These are the 7 deadly mistakes new traders make.
Wait, what?
The same one that wipe out 90% of beginners before they even know what hits them. Think of them as the 7 deadly sins of trading. I'll give you a bonus secret that can literally save your trading accounts.
Secret? What secret?
Because here's the truth. Most traders don't lose money because the market is rigged. They lose because they walk straight into traps. Traps they don't even know exist. And mistake number 3. That one alone destroys more accounts than all the others combined. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Over leveraging. This one is a killer. While leveraging is like strapping a rocket to a bicycle. Sure, you might fly for a second, but you'll probably explode. Every beginner sees 50x leverage and think jackpot. But here's the reality. Leverage magnifies everything. Your wins and your losses. A simple small red candle can erase your entire account. Now here's a pro tip. If you cannot survive a 1% move against you, you're not trading, you're gambling. Mistake 2. Revenge trading. You take a loss, you get angry, and you jump back in to the market, doubling your position size, trying to get even. That's not strategy, that's emotion with a broker's execution button. The market doesn't care about your feeling. It punishes emotional trader every single time. Revenge trading turns a bad day into a blown account. Now, when you're in doubt, step away. Don't trade more, trade less. Mistake number 3. No risk management. This one silently kills more traders than all the others combined. Most beginners never asked, how much can I afford to lose? Instead, they go all in, hoping luck saves them. They risk 20, 50, even 100% of their account on one trade. That's not trading, that's roulette. The professionals risk 1 to 2% per trade. That's why they stay in the game. Beginners, they risk 20 to 50%, and why they blew up. That's not trading, that's gambling. Now, here's the fix. Use tools like TradingView. It lets you measure risk to reward ratio, set stop loss, and analyze your trade before you even enter them. Most people lose money because they are trading blind, and here's the good news. TradingView is free. Click the link in the description and set it up today before you blow another account.